Top 6 Best Headlight Restoration Kits 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Forms are the best practices. They allow you to pick exactly the ballpark you want to be in your offer. Drill-activated sanding handles the harshest yellowing. That's how the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System, Kit 39008, truly excels. This heavy-duty solution helps your headlights look like new. You'll get maximum clarity, improving your vehicle's appearance and enhancing visibility for safer night driving. Just remember, it's drill-powered, so you'll need your own drill. But for severe oxidation, this system restores your headlights, big time. Number 2. No more sanding by hand. That's a key advantage of the Mothers NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. This fully mechanized program quickly restores clear, like new headlights, removing yellowing and moderate oxidation. It uses a soft flex backing plate and Power Plastic 4 Lights polish, which buffs light scratches and leaves a durable, protective layer against re-oxidation. It's designed for fast, professional results, but for severe damage, it might not be enough. Still, for most hazy headlights, it's a simple, effective restoration kit. Number 3. This kit protects for up to 12 months. This Meguiar's 2-step car headlight restoration kit really stands out for its revolutionary coating. It keeps headlights clear, preventing yellowing and reoxidation. That means better visibility and safety for nighttime driving. Your car's look improves too. Just remember, it isn't a permanent fix, so you'll reapply it annually. For anyone wanting consistent, clear headlights without frequent reapplication, this is a strong pick among headlight restoration kits. Number 4. Lasts as long as you own your vehicle. That's the promise of the CERAKOTE Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This professional-grade ceramic coating chemically bonds to your headlights, restoring them in just 30 minutes with 3 easy steps. You don't need any power tools. Everything's in the box. 8 oxidation wipes, a sanding kit, and 2 ceramic coating wipes. It's built for a single restoration though, not ongoing maintenance. For a durable, like-new finish, this headlight restoration kit is a solid choice. Number 5. Ceramic protection is built in. This Chemical Guys Headlight Restoration and Ceramic Kit offers a complete DIY solution for cloudy headlights, saving on dealer costs. Its hydrocharged ceramic spray coating then prevents future yellowing and oxidation after restoration. It works on severely yellowed lenses, greatly improving nighttime visibility and safety. Keep in mind, it's a home detailing kit, so some hands-on effort is required. For vehicle owners wanting lasting clarity and protection, it's a strong contender. Number 6. Vida TIM4. Exclusive UV coating sets it apart. The SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit tackles foggy headlights, restoring a like-new appearance by eliminating haze and yellowing. Its exclusive UV block clear coat helps maintain clarity. This easy headlight restoration kit provides everything for 2 lenses. No tools needed. It improves night driving visibility by restoring light output. It's for surface issues, so it won't fix deep physical damage. For yellowed, hazy headlights, this kit is a solid solution.